who is saying so far. Say oil no say mo se bibia be fine. Ebi nso kyerɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ animu ɛna ɔhwɛ NPP so mu nsɛm a maminti shortly.
Nhyira FM.
I don't want to complain, but start with that people better.
I would enkasa.
I think it's fair.
Enkasa.
NPP issued here. I think say a decision ain't yet at the body be. In respect of facts, experience be that.
Right.
In fact, last year election or so. Your party tries to be
okay.
I'm for protest because delegate of Wako Tuabano, they like you to say they are aligned with former flag bearer higher. Former flag bearer already upper hand because I don't know contest and or win election. With the people I'm more convinced say he's with them. And this also got some for now to Amana. They like you to say some for no better 80% more. Than say Obelusu. For example, more than 60% are Bamiya. Say no such the same delegates on Meto Abana. I can tell you out of 50%, wait my more than 50%.
Okay.
So a party then Mafosido SIFA to be fair, and share same free grounds. And other argument to say it's no guarantees a Crofana and Meto Abama say become flag bearer will be the same officers during the real campaign. Because Kaun say same people be these primaries of electing flag bearer and back where proper a friends Congress national, regional, and constituency. If within these structures, Crofana Mobano and believing Bamia, they are committed to the party and you're high and you're stronger. Because there are people of a mindset say, mempower. It doesn't matter say, oh, you're a flag bearer, I can fool my hands not to do it if maybe effectively. And to me, if you say, and you're bad, say, I'm going to be at the top level. But and I'm saying to me, the risk can air very high. But I mean, the reason why I'm more sad, it's not about the journey, about this delegate, about the moving. Some jai a chance on by election by 2026, 2027, I'm on party, and man a chair. There's a party no good. Because in talking about it's too early. It's too early. Just thank you to Yabu to Obia Jawi, Yawo Wisikai. Just thank you to. And the party will say, yeah. Because I got say every day be a bro and kasa can a Japan camp of Bekasa. They say NPP criticism more than the government in power. I dare bet you be someone. And it's all boiled down to one thing, Bamia and others. The same idea and a mean for a kunya na ye flag bearer and assassin massa. What you say? And the Omarian then said, let's elect the flag bearer. We are all the internal wrangles in our bed die off. And so they can say, I young pay unit in daddy. And it's really a good idea because so Omuya Sadina, it means that all the necessary noise Omuya because of flag bearership is dead. What is left now say young shock can be then move on. Another flip side of it is so another thing I'm going to say. It also gives them ample time to campaign. Because in the last election, party who say about Akufo-Addo. So they proposed an early Congress. Send my party to be flag bearer and anthem. Now at my campaign time because Mahama has been in the system since 2012 for being president. Party initiated that idea down. And I say by the time I'm call election, now Mahama far ahead of Bamia when it comes to visibility in the system. The officer the flag bearers say 3 years over 30 months a year, you bet to me a campaign enough to get someone to become a president for us. So I don't think anything the Bonibia except that Amunshe ye quite fast you by me last election. No matter Sakwa no shine here with you. Because that quite and fast you by me no, then shut down your clean side. I'm not telling you, I'm for nice to be. This time around, they should be free and fair to everybody. So those are the things and the bebo. But the issue of the fuel price in there, I think it is normal. Say whenever there's a war in the Middle East, because most of the oil is being produced from that angle. Fuel because of production and transportation of fuel and normal. But me they make a change this for say the inconsistency of NDC, too much. This de-levying, whether they are charging it on the X-pump price.
You are suspended.
No. I was suspended on farm abuse. I know I was suspended because of cancellation. No. But point is, I would say, and this is the Kaka chair say, I'm going to as a 16th June today because of issue with from the GPRTU. OMC and GPRTU. As I say, almost suspended because I'm anticipating say relevant drop. Now I'm deducted from a friend's deduction. Now I'm saying I'm expecting and say because I'm suspending. What if say I didn't say continue because the living a capacity and the certificate emergency, Ashiana. The inconsistency is too much. They should be bold. I'm going to number among for money who say a trapraco. But I'm not sure I'm going to be better time. Yeah, now favorable for them. Now I'm a goodwill of Ghanaians, you know. I'm a bold and take a decision. I can tell you last minute over the bar. There are 2 NPP for the right platform.
Okay.
And my advice to them.
A bit me a home.
A bit time I'm going to buy by home.
Right.
So time
on Zoom Lion.
Yeah, okay, on Zoom Lion you should hear. I think some about Bichichomo. I did not understand from day one. Why you are between me, Juma, marking 800 cities. Now say you trade 200, 250. Me, I think the NCC Casapa. But I don't know why this is a trema or be a who research deba. So our buying of all this time and names scanner or demano is less than 30% of the demand for. Is it fair? I dare moki carrying no never no mocano. Side reflector at the moment I do 6 months and for Frabram. Who are Sabbath skill or this Sanemano, who walk around on twin pedal bimo or Pierce and Diaco.
It is a
chill last say
every man deduction and
you're right. Can only have to annually, fine. But how can it be monthly? But the Miss Abuson say, apart from sweeping, you know, Nema Modi as his son, wood and the cousin, I don't know. Does government pay for it? And I need Naka, Scana Mutiama sweepers. Saying I can do the deduction sometimes, they may have reason why they are doing so. Because Kahun say, Zumbla and the same Ranukugunuka. America sa acquired before much chimney recycling like that. Nina by Tuamoka, and Nina is in the sweepers Scana Tuamoka.
There's a dumping near the site and I buy
about your account. So for supers, they are not refer to them. All this one, I'm not so much. I think some are buying no contract. Send a buy so say or the amount for it should be only sweepers. Because for now, no be any some machines are a fence a zoom like one. So when it comes to dumping and other things, you know, I believe saying instill them from my friends a zoom like. But as for sweepers in the day. Yeah, in the sick wise, I support it. Said about Abia, we never been craving to me.
I'm a sweeping company.
All right.
Gentlemen, a quick one. Let me say, we can say Dr. Bawumia could make a proposal. I'm being said Dr. Bawumia could propose that
also comment
false. Even another person, presidential aspirant, Kwabena Japan.
A false.
Said Dr. Bawumia make it that proposal.
He passed
the comment. Yes. He passed the comment is different from say we be actually the Akoma party for. So the year can a proposal will be that which is former general secretary, former presidential aspirant, and current cross-side Jinemubi. Kwabena Japan. I will not recount a constitutional amendment in Hubi. And this is a crowd on the this answer no amanoa. And you will be on the beer and no kind. They don't want that to one more than the
Akukwa, a bronco docron.
So we had disadvantage that I was a proposal in one. Or no song contest.
Okay.
There are some I can't
say.
Your best woman. Yen Baumia, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. In any day, Omofanemra. Share, oh dear, that could be time. Niabe compare Dr. Mahmoud Baumia to the possible candidate of NDC.
Only one.
Missy, any possible candidates from the Johnson has said don't get here come. You're chief of staff. You're chief of staff. You're chief of staff beats me up.
President Mahama
and others. Yes.
Okay.
Enti yabe compare contrast.
President Mahama
the chances
he lost in 2016 about 2020.
Can you imagine the chances of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia against that of Yura Johnson and say don't get here.
Okay.
Man.
Okay. That's it. How do
Emboss look at the ground.
I said me okay, obi asere mu na to ofie.